हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं पिंकी। आज मैं लेके आई हूँ सेकेंड ईयर बीकॉम कॉर्पोरेट अकाउंटिंग 2 फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स एंड ट्रू और फॉल्स ऑल चैप्टर सेमेस्टर 4। Purchasing company is called as dash. Vendi company, ABC company, liquidation of a company, none of the above. Answer is Vendi company. In absorption, there is one liquidation and dash formation. Option is no, yes, all of the above, none of this. Answer is no. Against the purchase of business, the amount paid to a company is called as dash. Option is liquidation, realization, purchase consideration, none of the above. Answer is purchase consideration. One liquidation and no formation of a new company is called as dash. Option is liquidation, realization, absorption, none of the above. Answer is absorption. In absorption, there is a one dash of a company and no formation of a company. Option is liquidation, realization, absorption, none of the above. Answer is liquidation. Accumulated loss in the vendor company should be transferred to dash account. Option is purchase company, shareholder, realization, none of the above. Answer is shareholders company. Net assets method and net payment methods are the method of calculation of dash. Option is purchase consideration, liquidation, realization, none of the above. Answer is purchase consideration. Reserve are the amount kept aside out of the dash. Option is profit, loss, both, none. Answer is profit. A type of a fraud where for frog email, frog websites are used to defraud and the user are known as dash. Option is e-frauds, froggery, punishing, none of the above. Answer is punishing. Dash happens when the fraudster avails multiple loans for the same property simultaneously for a total amount in excess of the actual value of the property. Option is punishing, window dressing, shotgunning, scheming. Answer is shotgunning. Pressure, opportunity and dash are the aspect of a fraud triangle. Option is rationalization, creation, commitment, none of the above. Answer is rationalization. The first mentioned company is a subsidiary at any company which is that other's dash. Option is holding, subsidiary, none of the above. Answer is subsidiary. The losses of the subsidiary company incurred up to the date of acquisition of shares is treated as dash. Option is capital loss, capital profit, both, none of the above. Answer is capital profit. Profit earned by the subsidiary company up to the date of acquisitions of shares by the holding company are termed are as per acquisitions profit or dash. Option is capital loss, capital profit, none of the above. Answer is capital profit. A dash is a flag which denote a too good to be true scenario. Option is red flag, green flag, amber flag, white flag. Answer is green flag. Significant increase in working capital borrowing as a percentage of a turnover is a dash. Option is red flag, amber flag, white flag. Answer is red flag. A model categorizing known fraud which lists about 49 different individual fraud scheme group by categories and subcategories is known as dash. Option is fraud triangle, fraud square, fraud model, fraud tree. Answer is fraud tree. Fraudsters may alter check to change the name of the amount on the face of a check. This is called dash. Option is punishing, forgery, disbursement fraud, scheming. Answer is forgery. Which is the following is a method used to embezzle money a small amount at a time from many different accounts. Option is data dealing, pretexting, spoofing, salami technique. Answer is salami technique. Thief of an employer's property which was not entrusted to employee will be defined as dash. Option is lapping, larceny, check kiting, none of the above. Answer is larceny. Weakness in internal control environment will lead which kind of fraud dash. Employee red flag, management red flag, journal red flag, none of the above. Answer is management red flag. Where the auditor tests the documents by keeping them side by side, then it is known as dash. Test of impossibility, test of absurdity, juxtaposition test, none of the above. Answer is juxtaposition test. The share of minority shareholders in capital profit loss is to be adjusted while calculating dash. Option is minority interest, share capital, capital reserve, none of the above. Answer is minority interest. Revenue income and revenue expenses is a term as dash. Option is minority interest, revenue profit, capital profit, none of the above. Answer is revenue profit. At the time of liquidation, an administrator is appointed called as dash. Option is liquidator, administrator, both, none of the above. Answer is liquidator. True or false? Ratio analysis is one of the key aspects which a forensic auditor has to look at. Answer is true. Uncalled liability on top partly paid shares is a contingent liability? Answer is true. Absorption involves minimum one liquidation and no new formation of a company. Answer is true. Purchase consideration is the price payable by the transferor company to the transferee company. Answer is false. When purchase consideration is given as a lump sum, there is no possibility of a goodwill or capital reserve. Answer is true. General reserve is transferred to the equity shareholders account. Answer is true. Purchase consideration is paid in the form of cash equity shares and preference shares. Answer is true. The losses of a subsidiary company incurred in the post-acquisition period is treated as revenue profit. Answer is false. The interest of the minority shareholders known as minority interest. Answer is true. Thank you for watching video. All the best फॉर एग्ज़ाम और ऐसी ही वीडियो देखने के लिए पिंकी सौरे यूट्यूब चैनल लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलना। अगले वीडियो में मिलेंगे। ओके बाय।